Hey everyone, happy Sunday. It's Marissa and I'm here with a little project that I wanted to share with you guys today. I got this idea from a super awesome Instagram friend on Instagram, and her name is Supreme Glitter Queen, and I will put her name down below just in case you want to follow me. She does not have a YouTube channel, but I believe that is her goal coming up 2019, is to get her YouTube channel up. But she needs to, because she is so awesome. All her pictures of her projects that she does is so just awesome. And she does a lot of that Happy Mail, you know, like the loaded envelopes and those embroidery hoops, loaded embroidery hoop type of things. So yeah, I'll link her down below, her name to her Instagram, so you guys go check her out and show her some love, because she is such an awesome crafter. So I got this idea from her. I saw that she picked up these salt and pepper shakers from the Dollar Tree. So this is a Dollar Tree project, and you guys need to go get some of these. They also have the really tiny ones that I gotten a while ago, but I haven't seen them since. Otherwise I would have also used some of those, which I have already gifted away and used a lot of them. So yeah, they have this one, and then eventually they have the small sizes when the store does have that. So I use this, and then I use some Martha Stewart paints that I have. These are the satin paints. These are her old ones. And then I also use this aqua pearl, it's called a shimmer acrylic paint. This is from, what's that called, Target. So I use that paint. And then last but not least, I use the Glitterific, what color is this, clear holographic paint. So that's all that I use, and then some embellishments and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I made. Now she did hers differently than what I did mine. I wanted mine to look, hers was super cute because she dressed it all up, but mine are kind of plain, but I thought of other ideas to do. So I'm gonna show you the first couple ones that I did. Now let me look, because look at how cute, you guys. I made mini shake, milkshake. Look at, so okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you it one by one. This is using the shimmer blue, or the shimmer paint, and this one is in color aqua. So sorry for the lighting. What I did was I painted the inside, and let me just open it to show you what it looks like. I painted the inside. I put some tissue paper here, but on the cap, as you can see, I used some of this Glitterific on the inside and painted it. And then you guys know I love my straws, and you guys know I have a lot. So I used different color straws. I put some Glitterific on the straw, and then on the clear bow, I also put some Glitterific. So that's what it looks like. Isn't that like the cutest little milkshake that you've ever seen? Super cute. So I did that one. And then this one, the same thing, but different color. This is the Martha Stewart paint in ballerina slipper. Did the same thing. Cute little straw. And here's the green one that I did in artichoke. But this one, I used one of those pearl little bows that I have. And that is the straw that I use, and I put also the Glitterific on the straws as well. Here's that one. Here's the yellow one. Kind of looks green on camera. And you can do whatever you want with these. You can put treats inside. I just left it empty inside for now. So you can put treats inside. You can dress this up, put trim, fancy trim. So there's that one. Oh no, this is not. This is the yellow one. This is not the artichoke. Couscous. This one's called couscous. This one is artichoke. I did the same thing. Look at the pretty glitter on top. These are, and then here's this one. So these are the first round that I did, and then these other ones, what I did was I used the Glitterific in the inside first, and then I painted it so that there can be, like, you see glitter, and then, but it seemed like it was harder to paint putting down the glitter first. So, and then I got these little, the ones that I got from downtown. For those of you who follow me, these are like little, it has like the holes to make beads and stuff. So I put it in the front, and then I put some Glitterific, of course, on it. And then here is the straw. And also what I did is I also put the other side of the straw. So like if you don't use this right here, you want to make it see-through, it'll show the straw underneath the cap. So it looks like a real milkshake. Super cute. So this one has the glitter. And then look at this pink one. Isn't she so cute? A pink milkshake. And I did the same thing with the Glitterific on the bottom and the paint on the top. And then last but not least, here's this one. See, look at how it painted. But I think it still turned out cute. So you can do whatever you like with this. You can put goodies in it. You can add some trim to it. And that is my little project. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I have another video coming up sometime. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now.